Hi, and welcome to Lesson 4 of Product Filters for WooCommerce, setting filters for product archive pages. In this video, I will show you how to set up filters for your WooCommerce shop or archive pages. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Now, click on the Products tab and then click on Filters. Under Filters for Product Archive, select the filter that you have created earlier. This will apply the filter to your shop or archive pages. For out-of-stock products, choose how to handle items that are out of stock. Select No Action to show all products. Always Hide will remove any out-of-stock products from the page. Hide If Active Options only hides out-of-stock products when the filters are applied. Enable Scroll Top to make the page scroll to the top when filters are applied. This improves the user experience. Now, let's look at some advanced options. Adaptive Thumbnails enables this to automatically adjust product thumbnail size for better display. Large Product Counts shows uncapped product numbers in your filters, which is useful for stores with large inventory. Faster Product Counts improves performance for stores with a large number of products and helps to speed up filter counts. Reduced Product Count Query is used to improve performance, especially when no filters are selected and you have a large number of product variations. Search Selectors customize component selectors for WooCommerce templates, ensuring filters work correctly with your theme. Script After Update allows you to add custom JavaScript, like location reload, to refresh the page after filtering. Once the details are added, scroll down and click on the Save Changes button. And that's it. In this video, we have set up filters for shop and archive pages, adjusted the out-of-stock settings, and enabled advanced options like adaptive thumbnails and faster product counts for better performance. Subscribe to Sleekr Digital for more plugin tutorials.